Hey everyone, welcome to Soil Goddess. In today's video, we are going to see how to store cilantro, mint leaves, curry leaves, and moringa leaves fresh for a long time. And let's get started. We'll start with the mint leaves first. You have to separate the leaves from the stem of the mint leaves and store in a box, airtight container. And for this, you have to first put a paper towel in the box before adding the leaves like this, because the moisture will make the leaves dry. Sometimes it will also get spoiled with the excess of water, and that's the reason these leaves get spoiled very soon. For that, you just have to put a paper towel like this and store all the mint leaves, and put another paper towel on top of the box and then seal it with the lid and store it in your fridge. This will remain fresh for 1 month to 40 days. And if you're lazy to pluck the leaves from the stem, you can just roll like this and put in a Ziploc bag or a box and then store it. I usually take the stems like this and give it a new life by planting it again into the soil. You know something, like mint leaf does not even need soil to grow again. If you put these mint stems into a glass jar with filled with water, it can grow again. So it can just remain in your near your kitchen counter, and you'll be really happy to see your own mint leaves growing. And this is my habit of planting it in the soil. You can choose either soil or water. So it's been 20 days after I planted. Most of the mint leaves went, but I found 3 to 4 stems survived, and it's giving new leaves. So I was really happy. So this way you can use the mint leaves again and give it a new life. If you are a newbie here, please subscribe to Soil Goddess and press the bell icon, because in Soil Goddess we post only useful videos. Now let's move on to the cilantro leaves. Storing cilantro is really very easy. You have to just spread the leaves like this with the stem. You don't need to remove the stems, and do not wash it. You can just when you buy it from the stores, you can just roll it like this and put in a Ziploc and store it. And for moringa leaves, the same thing. When you buy it with stem, separate the leaves from the stem. And as like we store the mint leaves, put a paper towel in the bottom and on the top of the moringa leaves like this. You can take as much ever you want when you're cooking and keep the remaining. These moringa leaves are a month old and it's working fine for me. And for the cilantros, I think you can even store it for about 2 months in the paper towel. And let's move on to the curry leaves. So the curry leaves is like this: is the water vapor which gets formed even if you store in a glass box or a plastic box. So you have to drop the paper towels on top of the leaves as well as the bottom of the leaves. Most people have the habit of washing all these leaves as soon as they bring it to home, but do not do that. Store as it is like this and take how much of a quantity you want before adding it to the food. Wash it and then use it. So that is one tip. And another tip I have to give it to is, like, do not store these leafy vegetables in the in the top rack of your refrigerator. Store it in the bottommost rack, because these will freeze all these leaves. And I hope this video is useful for you guys. So please subscribe to Soil Goddess and show your support. Thanks for watching, and share this video to your friends.